Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cash out stocks on Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. So when you open your Fidelity account, you will land on your main dashboard where you can see your portfolio, account balances, investments, and available cash. Before cashing out your stocks, make sure you understand that selling your investments will convert them into cash inside your Fidelity account first. From there, you can withdraw the money to your bank account. Now to start the process, look for the Trade Now button, which is typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. If you don't see this option, you can access the trading section by hovering over Accounts Trade in the top navigation menu and selecting Trade from the drop-down list. After entering the trading area, Fidelity may ask you to choose the account you want to trade from if you have multiple accounts. Select the brokerage account that contains the stock you wish to sell and continue to the trading page. Once you're on the trade screen, you'll see various trading options. Locate the stock symbol field and enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to sell. As you type, Fidelity will display matching results and provide information about the company. Select the correct stock from the list to proceed. Next, change the transaction type from buy to sell. This tells Fidelity that you want to sell shares that you currently own rather than purchase additional shares. After selecting sell, you'll be asked to enter the number of shares you would like to sell. Fidelity may also display your current holdings so you can easily determine how many shares are available in your account. After entering the quantity, you'll need to choose an order type. A market order will sell your shares at the best available market price when the order is executed. Another option is a limit order, which allows you to specify the minimum price you're willing to accept for your shares. The order will only execute if the stock reaches your selected price or higher. Once you've selected your order type and entered the quantity of shares to sell, Fidelity will provide an estimated value for the transaction. This estimate helps you understand approximately how much money you may receive from the sale based on current market conditions. Fidelity also offers commission-free trading for many U.S. stocks, which can help maximize your proceeds. When you're satisfied with the details, click the Review Order button. Fidelity will take you to a confirmation screen where you can carefully review every aspect of the transaction. This includes the account being used, the stock symbol, the number of shares being sold, the order type, and the estimated proceeds from the sale. Take a moment to verify that all of the information is correct before proceeding. If the market is closed, Fidelity may display a notice informing you that the final execution price could be different when the market reopens. This is especially important when placing market orders outside of regular trading hours. If everything looks accurate, click the Place Order button to submit your sell order. Once the order has been submitted, Fidelity will display a confirmation page indicating that your request has been received. Depending on the order type and market conditions, the sale may execute immediately or remain pending until the specified conditions are met. After the order is executed, the proceeds from the sale will appear in your brokerage account. To actually cash out to your bank, go to the Transfer section in the main menu. Select Withdraw or Transfer to Bank, then choose your linked bank account. If you have not linked a bank account yet, you will need to add and verify one first. Next, enter the amount of cash you want to withdraw. This will be taken from your available cash balance after selling your stocks. Click Continue, then review all the details carefully. Finally, click Submit to complete the withdrawal. Fidelity will process the request and send the money to your bank account. Depending on your bank, it may take a few business days for the funds to arrive. And that is how simple it is to cash out stocks on Fidelity. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.